Smile.
Antonio, smile.
This is all the meat for the pig for the party tomorrow, for the fiesta. All the hard-working people over here. I got light.
Uang panida ng muko. Taginana ka may soda na.
Dungagi.
Tubig?
They do this at night time.
Hi.
Tudo bien? ¿Cómo está?
Kumusta?
Okay.
Oh, mayong hapon.
Hapon.
Mayong hapon.
Mayong hapon. Okay.
Mayong hapon. Okay. Okay kayo.
Okay kayo.
Basigarin ina kumartil, basigarin kamalig.
Why sugar ang kamalig? Extension?
Hugasan na tayo. Je. Je. Usko sa Je.
Kaldero ba?
Stilul. Para dito.
Pagkuha dito ng stilul.
Dapat sabon.
Ayun.
No. Oh, you have lights?
I have light on the camera. It's still
That's nice.
very dark.
It's still dark?
Yeah. We have a brownout. The lights didn't come back yet, huh?
No, the light is back.
They're back?
Wow, mo yung extension dihan. Hindi ka na magbalik.
Now they're cutting up the
Boy, video yun eh.
the ahos.
Ahos. Garlic.
Cebollas. ¿Cómo está? Okay kayo.
Okay kayo.
Jim. May gabi eh.
Siyong, pareha mo siyong. Amerikano, foreigner.
Ha?
Pareha mo.
What?
Watching me.
Let's see what they have in here. This is the little store here. They sell all kinds of stuff here. Few things. This is the small store. A little bit of everything. Everybody works over here. Good job, good job. Everybody works. Big fiesta tomorrow, a lot of people. Right, Papa? A lot of people. Oh, there's the baby in the car.
Balik ko ka. At yung dahil. Easy ko ay ito.
Hello. You were crying. He was crying.
Just mo ka, just.
Bukog na nanapit nyo. Na may dagat ang lugar.
Awat na mama, alin.
Tadi ay may gamit ko lang maditsarap niya. Tomorrow na.
Everyone is around the fire. I think they drink and they're gonna cook some stuff over here. Look at that. Oh, they're gonna do a marination of the meat over here. Marinate the meat.
Brad, drink?
That's so good for you. No, for me now. For you good.
Okay. Ninyo ako no po ikuan. Go show pa ninyo. Hindi. Oh. Bawang ko diyan. Para kanay nga na mga Pinoy ra kunay nga na.
You met him?
I never meet this guy before.
Hoy, you don't remember?
Cyrus, you can remember me?
I remember. I got a turkey from you
Nice to
before.
meet you again.
I got a turkey from you before, right?
Oh yeah, it's a turkey. You can remember?
Pre.
No more turkey now? Turkey, place na yung turkey.
Yeah. Let me turn around.
Ready to cook.
Oh,
Ingredients.
remember you told me when I came here, you say, Christina, take good care, Christina.
Yes.
I take good care, Christina.
Yes. Thank you.
What are they gonna do over here?
Cook.
They're gonna cook food right now? Oh, okay.
The meat.
They're gonna cook the meat. Oh, okay.
Di ka na ba panus?
So they stay awake all night.
Yeah.
It's a party all night.
Oh, yes.
Gusto mo nyo beef? Beef? Oh, tanduwa. Quality itong mama to.
Ato, Jikaw. Jay.
Ayaw na. Ay, lagay yung lolo.
What do you say?
Oh, mga hubog na mo.
What they say?
Gumalagbugnog baboy. Ganina yung di ko no. Ganina og kuan.
Look at the dog
Atong
behind
mama,
us.
J.
Di ka kuan.
The girl's still over there. Let me go for your tip the girls.
He's the cook, love.
Who's the cook? Oh, he's gonna be the cook? Okay, let's see what you guys doing over here. Let me see the fish. Look at that. They're cleaning the fish over there, over here, and over there they're doing the meat. Very good. So you the chef, you the cook. Oh, who's the cook?
Chip cook, Victor. Mini assistant of Victor.
Oh,
He's not only
oh, you're gonna be the chef. You're gonna be the cook.
Ugangan? Pre, unsa ini sugangan?
He's not only a carpenter.
Okay ba unsa ini sugangan? Pre, unsa ini sugangan?
his father-in-law.
Ha?
Father-in-law.
Yeah.
Father-in-law.
That's your father-in-law.
Oh, father-in-law.
And he's the cook.
Panday mason, computer mason.
Carpenter Emerson.
Oh. Carpenter mason.
Amazon.
Basta kay.
So they're gonna cook food here tonight.
Amazon.
Ano?
Naabot na mag-Amazon.
This is life in the Philippines, in the countryside. Everybody has a good time over here.
Hoy, asal magiging English na unsa labog di labog hawag ang English.
Lager ka. Go. Lager ko no. Naman lagi mo ra mag. Okay, karo. Roger pa ni Roger. Ah, okay na. Roger. Green. Drink.
Drink, have fun, then go to sleep.
Jay, Jay, kuha Jay. Kuha. Baso. Taklo. Ihalo sa kay. Dari ba kay makadisturbo sa
I'm getting mosquitoes right now. You're better off over here.
Maglamok. Magdaling panggaw katulgaw. Mosquito na iputi. Pagdakatul ba?
Puti. Para man yung puti. Kayo na isang.
I'll eat some.
Pan mosquito kuan ba?
Okay, you guys, see you later. This is the small chapel where they're gonna have a mass.
Kasi na itong Helen Kini Santos na misa, isip pagpasidungan na ito sa itong patron, ginasaro na yung panabang. Uban sa panabang sa itong mahal nga na Birhen Maria, tutupod karon nga ihalat sa Ginoo ni Santos na misa nga itong mga pangamuyo, nga itong mga panghinaot na itong kinabuhi. Nga itong pangayon ang panalangin sa Ginoo, alang sa itong mga pagpaningkamot, sa itong mga trabaho, itong mga panginabuhian, sa itong mga pag-eskwela, mutatagantan niya kalinaw sa itong pamuyo, kalinaw sa itong pamilya, kalinaw sa itong nasod, kalinaw sa itong tibok kalibutan. Unta, dili unta, mo sangko sa gira, kining mga tensions between nations. Itong yan po nga, bansa panabas itong mahal na Birhen Maria, dili unta, hinayon ang kagugot. O garon mamahimo kita nga andam o sa ulog ni Santos na misa, ato nang inusulan ang atong mga sala. Kang tanan, nagagumpisala ko sa Dios na magkalugahon sa tanan, o kaninyo mga igsoon, inagalapas na kuhiyamon, sa nahuna sa pulong sa buhat, sulat ang buhat sa kinahanglang buhaton, kaya akong sala, akong nagpumusala, busa na namuyong ako na Santa Maria ang nagulay, sa mga anghel na mga santos, kaninyo mga igsoon, aron ninyo kong iyampo sa Ginoo nga atong Dios. Kaluyan ta kita sa Dios nga makagagahom sa tanan ng pasayloon sa itong mga sala. Dadun ta kita niya nga sa kinabuhing dayon.
Amen. Itabi mo kaluyong luwas sa aming Ginoo.
Himaya sa Diyos dito sa langit.
Sayang mga tao, inisayuta, Ginoong Diyos, langit kumari, Diyos Amahan, makagagawang sa tanan. Nagasimba kami kanimo, nagapasalamat kami kanimo, nagadai kami kanimo, tungod sa imong himaya. Ginoong Jesucristo, bugtong anak sa Ama, Ginoong Diyos, Kordero sa Diyos, ikaw nagawasan sa lahat sa kalibutan, kaluy kami, ikaw nagalingkod sa tuos sa Amahan, nawata ang among pangamuyo, kay ikaw lamang ang Santos, ikaw lamang ang Ginoo, ikaw lamang ang nabihang Ginoong Jesucristo, upang sa Espiritu Santo, dihat sa himaya sa Diyos na Amahan. Amen, amen, amen.
Mag-ampo kita, maluluyon ng Diyos, niguna nga mong kahuyang, aron kami nga naghandom sa santos nginahan sa Diyos, magaling gawas sa mong kasalaan, ug ang kalapasan pinagi sa panabang sayang pangamuyo, kinagpangayo, pinagi ni Kristo among Ginoo. Maglingkod ang malandong sa mga pagbasa.
Love, she's my uncle's wife.
Oh, nice
My
to
mother's-
meet you.
Yes. Yes, Joe.
Yes.
Mosta, Joe. Hello, Joe. Joe.
This is everybody coming back from the mess. Stay here next to me, over here, please.
Hey, Joe.
Everybody's gonna be on tape close by.
Let's go.
Oh, magod ka kami good.
No, not yet. I didn't get everybody. Smile. Big smile. All right, now we're going back this way. Now it's time to eat.
Alang balik di makadaghan nga na matirang
Kumusta?
oh
Okay, okay kayo.
okay
Ano ba, Mac?
How's it going? Time to eat, huh?
Yeah. Time to eat.
Video time.
Thank you. You drink alcohol?
Oh no, I'm all set for now. Maybe some beer later. Yeah. Beer.
Bliss ni Ampay. Bliss day.
Oh, hi. ¿Cómo está? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna like to meet them.
Uy, my God. Ano
Enjoy, enjoy.
Thank you so much, sir. You have a nice, very nice lunch.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Good mass. I like the mass. It was good.
Did you understand?
I don't understand, but it was nice. The singing, the people singing.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
It was good. Enjoy the food.
Yeah, thank you. That's it. Are you done eating?
I'm gonna eat a little bit. This is good memories, you know. I do the video for memories.
Yes, thank you. And you can post it on Facebook.
I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, you're gonna be seen all over the place.
Yeah, can we watch it? Can we watch our face? Can we see our face?
Oh yeah, we'll give you the YouTube channel.
Yeah. What's the name?
Pinay and Portuguese Life in America.
Pinay and Portuguese life in America.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you can search it. Pinay and Portuguese
Life in America.
life in America.
The late show over here.
Only search. Only search.
Sensitive.